So if we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here on the daily time frame for a little quick update in this local area, you can see we came down and had that nice back test, perfect back test of the 0618 Fibonacci. As you can see, obviously I've got my Fibonacci pulled from the all-time high down to that current low of the bear market down here, and as you can see, we've been coming up working through our fib levels really nicely. Bitcoin looking extremely bullish over the past year or so off these lows. You can see we got down to around 15k, currently sitting at around 42k right now as of recording this video today, and you can see we've basically been working up through our fib levels, looking very bullish. We've got this trend line that I think we could come down and retest maybe before the bull market begins and the halving happens in a few months. As you can see, we formed it here, we came down, test and test, we got the break up, we're getting above our 100-day moving average there very nicely as well, coming up, just making some nice bullish market structure really, breaking above, back testing, breaking above. We formed a bit of a range here, and you can see we ran all the way up again, and then finally got that breakout, smashed all the way through the 050, went all the way up and smashed the 618 as well. But then you can see obviously starting to come into a bit more of an accumulation zone. The ETF gets approved, obviously Bitcoin ETFs start trading, we get the pump and the dump back down to the perfect 618 retest, also sort of retesting this previous area of accumulation and grinding to the upside here as well, and also back testing our 100-day moving average again. So still looking like we are in a fairly bullish market structure, looking really like we've just been chopping sideways, quite a lot of chop and repositioning I guess because of all the ETFs etc. And as I said, we could see ourselves come down back, I think down to around 35k really, and still be bullish for a bounce, coming back into this area of structure as well as back testing that trend line. Obviously very possible that we could see a bounce there if we do see ourselves retrace that much, but right now looking like we're just putting in a bit of an accumulation, a bit of a kind of, you know, chopping sideways in the market, no real direction being formed. But right now just chilling, waiting to see what happens next. Bitcoin looking fine. I'm very excited for this year. The halving is so close now in April, only 2 months away now, February the 1st. Let's see what happens next.